Hello everyone, welcome to Tigers. As many of you have requested me to put up a video on decent sewing machine which is portable and less heavy on the pocket, here it is, mini functional sewing machine. I bought this from one of the e-commerce sites and it costed me about 3000 rupees. I will put the link in the description below for you to check it out. Before I get the machine out of the packet, let me show you around the box. This is how the machine looks like. It comes with multiple stitch patterns. You have 12 options to choose in this machine. It also comes with reverse swing, comes with a drawer in the machine itself, stainless steel hook tip, interchangeable foot, long-lasting LED light, and a bobbin rewinder. Let me turn the packet. On the right hand side of the packet, you can see the features mentioned here. You can pause and have a look at it. On the other side also it's the same thing which is mentioned here, and as I mentioned before, here are the 12 stitch patterns which you can have a look at it. So without wasting any time, let's go ahead and unbox this together and see what all you get along with the machine and how does the machine looks like. Here is the manual. I would request each one of you to go through the manual before you even start using the machine. Okay, let's get the machine off the packet now. Alright, nothing else in the box. Oh, I'm sorry about that. Here is the foot paddle. You can have a look at it. Quite decent in the quality. These are some of the accessories that you get along with the machine. An extra needle, 2 spools of thread, and extra 2 bobbins. Let's keep this aside. Here is the charger. You can connect this directly to the power source and get started with the machine. What else? Now finally, here comes the machine. Have a look at it. I should say in terms of the build quality is quite great at the price that they're offering at. Here are the 12 stitch patterns that you can choose. This is the pattern selection dial. You can choose accordingly which pattern you would like to stitch. Take up lever. Here is the reverse switch. Power on and off button along with low and high speed control. Here you get a small drawer where you can keep your accessories. This is the upper thread tension dial. At the back, this is the spool holder. This is the bobbin rewinder. Here is where you can connect the foot paddle and your power source. At the bottom, you get a battery holder. This machine also runs on 4 AA batteries. Threading in this machine could be a little confusing, so let me show you that. Here's the first point where you will have to put the thread. Then here is your second point where you need to put the thread. This is the point. Let me show you properly. Here is the second point. Pull the thread down and then underneath that, bring it up through the take up lever, pull it down, and then here it goes another point, which is the 5th one. Here it goes through the 5th point, and then finally through the needle here. It's always better to use a threader to get this through the needle. Now let me show you the bottom bobbin holder. Pull up the take up lever. Here is the bottom bobbin. You can have a look at it. Now let me show you how to connect the foot paddle. It's quite simple. You just have to insert the 3.5 mm jack, and here is the power source plug. Now let's go ahead and test this machine and see if this really works. I'm going to do a normal stitch. This is a piece of cotton cloth that I've got, and I'm going to show you if this really works. I'm using the foot pedal to sew, while there's another option where you can use the switch which is on the machine itself. So let's get started. You can have a look at the stitch. This is one of the patterns that I've used, which is available in this machine. So I think for the price point that it's offering at, this is quite a decent buy, and you get 12 patterns to stitch in this machines. So I hope you guys have liked this video. In case if you have liked the video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such videos in future. Until the next one, take care, bye bye.